For the buttermilk substitute, we need 1½ tablespoon of white vinegar plus enough cream to measure 1½ cup. Usually, milk ang ginagamit dito but I prefer using all-purpose cream. Stir, then let it stand for a few minutes until mag-curdle or mamuo siya. Cream, butter, and sugar. Then add eggs one at a time. Then add vanilla and the red food coloring. Add the vinegar to the buttermilk mixture. Mix all the remaining dry ingredients. Alternately add the dry and wet ingredients to the butter mixture, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Do not overmix. Fill your 3-ounce cupcake liner with 1/4 cup of the butter. Bake at preheated oven for at least 35 minutes or until done. For a flat top cupcakes, start with 275 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, lower temperature with longer baking time. For the cream cheese frosting, beat cream cheese until smooth, then add the butter. Beat until well combined. Then add the vanilla. Use clear vanilla if you want a whiter frosting. Then add the confectioner sugar. Place in the fridge for a few minutes to firm up a little. For the toppings, crumble some cake crumbs, place it in the oven after baking the cupcakes, turn off the heat and just let it dry.